Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator upper refrigerator door hinge. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper refrigerator door hinge. The upper refrigerator door hinge is what the refrigerator door rides on. The manager should be changing it out if it's damaged and the door is not opening and closing properly. The upper refrigerator door hinge is located at the top of the door. In order to change it out, we're going to first tape the door closed. You want to make sure you use some non-residue tape and just tape the door up so it doesn't come loose when we take the hinge off. Then we can go up top. Now that we're up top, we're going to take the cover off. We're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that holds it in. Once you have the screw out, if it doesn't come out of the cabinet, you can just lift up on it and take it out and set it aside. And then you want to be careful when you turn this over. There's a couple wiring harnesses, so you just want to kind of get it out of the way. Once you have the cover off, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver again to take out the screw that holds the grounding wire on. Then we're going to grab the 10mm socket with an extension and a ratchet. Take out the 3 bolts that hold the hinge on. Once you have the bolts out, we're just going to move the ground wire out of the way and lift the hinge off the door in the cabinet. Once you have it free, you can pull it off. Here's the old upper refrigerator door hinge next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new upper door hinge on, we're just going to run the ground wire through the hinge, set it in place. And you just want to move it around so that the bolt holes are lined up. Then we can use the 10mm socket with the ratchet and the extension to put the bolts back in. Make sure you tighten them down nice and good so they don't come loose. Now we can put the ground wire on. The old hinge had a hole right here that it was screwed into. It doesn't have that anymore, so we're just going to move it over here. So we're just going to put the ground wire there. Then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screw. Now we can put the cover on. Just have to flip it over and line it up. Once you have it in place, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screw in. Once you have the cover back on, we can grab the tape and pull it off. Once you have it off, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.